Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can get active authorization objects based on different process area. So this is something that is there out of the box /n. This is the D code. Okay, and here if you see I execute this D code, I'll mention it in the video description. And here you can see different process areas. So if you want asset accounting, here are different uh, authorization objects that you have. Now there will be other things that let's check something related with purchasing. Okay, so we can do a search here and we can do purchase. If I do a search on purchase, oops, the search is not so good, I think. Well, I'll just do authorization. Oh, okay, so it's doing search on authorization object. So what I can do is let's go here and scroll down, and here you can see materials management, and from here you can see everything related with. So here you have purchasing group for purchase requisition, purchasing group in purchase order, purchase, this is planned, very much important. Okay, so here you can search things. Here there are other things you can do search. Okay, there would be things related with finance and all those things. So you have other technical stuffs also. You have SAP screen personas and other things. You have project systems. So if you click on project systems, you will have different authorization object. That is, these are only the active ones. So if it's something is inactive, you can ask the basis, you can ask the security person and they can activate it. So here you can see master data. This is related with material master. You have different authorization object, and the good thing is if you click on it, you get all the descriptions. So here you can see user may create data, user may change data, user may displace data. So these are very important stuffs that is useful. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share it, subscribe it, and happy SAP learning, and have a